Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is John Infante. I am a student in health administration. Tonight, think about positive and negative effects on technology on environment. Access to information, improve the quality of education. To organize ourselves better, to learn new things, they keep track of our goals and personal progress, or the social distance with friends or family. For my point of view, the amount of information voluntary after the user of social networks is very useful for products and service. Create initiatives and propose that are increasingly updated to users. Effects negative of technology on environments. Environmental damage, indiscriminate exploitation of elements that zinc, copper, iron, or aluminum, that metal, precious gold, platinum, on silver, lead, chrome, metallic compost of coltan, wells are different types of plastic and glass. Some developing countries and in the coming years are starting artificial intelligence and robots eliminating millions of jobs. It's necessary to take precaution to avoid being victims of cyber criminals. They are unfavored physical conditions that have increased thanks to user technology. This is case of carpal tunnel syndrome, to so-called BlackBerry finger and cervical lesions. Global working hours as consequence of misuse of natural resources and undisclosed mining exploration. Thank you.